Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to cover what are the different exams that you can appear in chemical engineering.
This video is covering tentative dates, eligibility criteria, and all the additional details about the exam. Tentative dates can be vary, but the purpose of this video is to aware you about all the exams so that you do not miss any of the important exam information. With that, I am going to start this video with a very important exam, which is GATE exam. Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. Tentative application date for this exam is in August to September and tentative exam date is in February. Eligibility criteria in such a way that BTech third year, final year and graduate people can appear in this exam, and this exam is in conducted every year. But the people who are in BTech third year, they cannot utilize the opportunity that you will get it from your exam, and those opportunities are MTech and PSUs. Total marks for this exam are 100, total questions are 65, total duration is 3 hours. With that, moving to the second exam, which is BARC exam, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. Tentative application date for this exam is in December to January or February to March. Exam date is in March or April. Eligibility criteria is BTech final year or graduate people can give this test, and total marks are 300, total questions are 100, total duration is 2 hours, and you can apply for scientific officer group A post in BARC through this exam. Moving to the third exam, ISRO VSSC exam, Indian Space Research Organization. Tentative application date is in July to August, exam date is in January to February. Total marks are 100, total questions are 95, total duration is 2 hours. You can apply for scientist engineer post in ISRO through this exam. Moving to the fourth exam, which is HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Tentative application date is in August to September, exam date is in December. You can apply for officer post in HPCL through this exam. Total marks are 170, questions are 170, duration is 150 minutes. Moving to the fifth exam, NRL exam, Numaligarh Refinery Limited. Tentative application date is in July to August. Exam date is in September. You can apply for GT post in NRL through this exam, and total questions are 100. Moving to the sixth exam, CPCL, Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited. Tentative exam date is in October and total marks are 120. Total questions are 120. Duration is 120 minutes. You can apply for executive engineer post in CPCL through this exam. Moving to the seventh exam, SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. Tentative application date is in December, exam date is in January, and total marks are 200. Duration is 120 minutes. You can apply for management trainee in SAIL through this exam. 8 is RCFL, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers. Tentative application date is in September, exam date is in October, and total questions are 100. Total marks are 150. Duration is 90 minutes. You can apply for management training in RCFL through this exam. Ninth is IREL, Indian Rare Earths Limited. Tentative application date is in August and exam date is in September. Total questions are 100. Duration is 2 hours. You can apply for management training in IREL through this exam. Moving to the 10th exam, FACT, the Fertilizers and Chemicals Travancore Limited. Tentative application date is in April. Exam date is in June. Questions are 120, marks are 120, duration is 120 minutes. You can apply for management training in FACT. Moving to the 11th exam, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Tentative exam date is in August and total questions are 120, marks are 120, duration is 150 minutes. Moving to the 12th exam, which is BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. Tentative application date is in August to September. Exam date is in December. Total questions are 150, marks are 150, duration is 120 minutes. Moving to the 13th exam, HRRL, HPCL Rajasthan Refinery Limited. Exam date is in July. Total questions are 170, total marks are 170, duration is 150 minutes. Moving to the 14th exam, CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board. Tentative exam date is in June. Questions are 50, marks are 70, duration is 120 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do share and subscribe it.